bafethu, it's your boy, the friendly neighborhood ghost. This boy is Sambe Mini, this boy is Tleganabant, this boy is Tususube Flexi. Get a 10 blind song, bringing you the mashup. Let's mash things up. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I get about it. Let us sponsor on Rata Joang. Guys, Marasingo DM Monyaka. Yeah, the mashup guys. Yes, Mara, as usual, like if I give you one, Valma. Welcome to the mashup, my guy.
Yeah.
Sweet stuff, man. I'm going to give you 2 questions.
Yes.
Right? The first one, you have to get it correctly.
Yes.
And the second one, you have the right to your own opinion.
Yeah. Let's do
Right?
it.
Sweet. The first one goes like this. How many times does the sun rise and set in the Arctic?
That's maybe twice, 2 times, twice.
You were nearly there. It actually does that once.
Once.
Yeah. Now you all know the sun rises and sets once. In the Arctic. Bafetu.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the correct answer.
Yeah.
Second question. Would you rather work hard at a job that's rewarding or not work hard at all at a job that's not rewarding?
Yeah, it's an advantage and disadvantage. But yeah, I hear you. I'd rather work hard. Because working hard brings results at the end of the day.
I mean, ba re tlamelo je mofufutso wa phatla ya gago. He batho. Bona ba tlo gaina sa bereki. He bathong. Yo. He bathong. How? Yes, man. Tatelo go be famous.
Thank you.
The mic is your oyster. Do what you do best. And I'm out.
Yes, let's do it.
Sure.
Nguwe baby,